conoce. Yo viví la calle así, acostumbrado a puñaladas como un fakir. Con 15 años yo estaba allí. Hoy en día la poli no tiene nada contra mí. Pa' mí las drogas no eran un juego. Yo vendía para tener dinero y aún así nunca pasé de camello. La vida de Scarface me quedaba lejos. Cogí algún carro sin tener carnet. Ahora nunca lo haría, que quede ok. Toda mi vida se lee en mi piel. Es mi manuscrito y a él le soy fiel. Una vida loca con dos pelotas. Esta polla gorda siempre se nota. La calle engancha como farlopa. Hay que ser muy listo pa' que no te coma. Aquí es fácil comprar una pistola. Lo difícil es encañonar una persona. Para ser primero hay que querer y tener muy claro lo que vas a hacer. Cero credibilidad con ese polo Lauren. El niño pijo no está hecho pa' la calle. Aquí hay que conocer cada detalle, saber las horas y sus lugares. Solo un estúpido hace trapis en un parque. Esas cosas no las enseñan en clase. Amo la calle y su detalle, pero me está matando frase a frase. Aquí aprendí lo que es una hermandad, que contra el rival no se tiene piedad. Que un hermano es un vicio insano, pero por él me cortaría la mano. Tiro con la precisión de un francotirador agazapado en la cornisa esperando su ocasión. Este cemento me volvió un cabrón y mi RP no conoce la rendición. Mi corazón hoy está en off, de la vida del barrio se apartó. Nunca debas ningún favor, pues cuando se los cobran no hay perdón.
It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make you holler. Check it out, everybody. It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make you holler. Hey, yo, my dogs hold heat, control the whole street. And when it's time to bust, they don't get cold feet. You know it's me now, cause I'm say the bull rocker. Big Mac, not the Whopper, piece the Big Papa. The showstopper, like salt and pepper. Rhyme wrecker, figure front on this, I won't let ya. I better get ya, stickity straight out the blue. Diggity that's effects, red man, coming through.
We piggity bubbling like some bubbly, lovely. But trouble be finding me, kitty cover me. I represent my ground, so yo, what up now? Non-believers hating, what the fuck now? I'm from Bucktown, niggas get struck down for that shit. Max spit, accurate, make your back split. Sewer rats get a lot of cheese like ricotta. The 3-man team, the rap scholar. New York, everybody, Cali, everybody.
It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make you holler. Check it out,
everybody, overseas, everybody.
It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make you holler. Check it out.
It's the rap scholar, hot around the collar. Pack a blocker, since I was a toddler. Drama, the 9-7 nigga Madonna. Reptile texture be the blood of a iguana. Sick, thick about 9-inch thick. I make a 420 benzo look like a 6. First of the month, I got the bundles for the wick. My hands big as a catcher's mitt when I prick. Sucker MCs who did not learn. If you don't this time from coast to coast, I'm the Doc Ranger. Girl beat down Punana. So hot, my chewing gum flavors enchiladas. You can tell I don't give a fuck. Deliver the cold bender phrase that shit for the Aripta. Fuck you and the ship you came on. While you sit around bitching, I get my bangs on.
East Coast, everybody. West Coast, everybody. It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make it holler. Check it out,
everybody. Down south, everybody.
It's the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make it holler. Check it out, bango, bust how the slang go. Change up the angle, now who wanna tango? Click clack, get back, done let me rip that. Spit that, flip that, shit to push your wig back. You're showboating, get your whole frame broken. Found floating, somewhere a Hoboken. No joking, jump out the Benz bubble. Pull out the pound and bust around in your huddle.
Spent a lot of ghetto days, learning ghetto ways. Know the ins and outs of ghetto trades. Still I'm searching for a better way. Niggas they never stress it though, kid it come and go. Trust me if it's running low, I might just throw the gun in yo face. I want what's mine, so throw your hands in the air. Cause of the rhyme on the line, up against your spine. before you spot her. So I gotta get this ricotta. The 3-man team, the rap scholar. New York, everybody. Cali, everybody. Yeah, the rap scholar, here to make a dollar. Try and follow, guaranteed to make you holler. Check it out. Everybody, overseas. Everybody, yo, the rap scholar.
Both hands crusty, chillin' with my man Rusty, low down. Blew off the burner, kinda dusty. The world can't touch Ghost, Purple Tape, Ray co-host, Montreal Expo, Intellectual X-Pro, Sun's trifling, fuck, Wildflower on the cycling. Picked up the broom, thought I was Michaelin, West Brighton Pool. Now I'm into iron duels, Turner's the Earth's Whoopi. She out of law school, inhale, break beats of hell, A-L-I propel, parallel, Duracell nut, you flash a burn cell. Snap at the Candyland kids, the old rumor is blacks become immune to shit we never did, like eating dead birds. Trust the pharmacy over herbs, men marrying men ill. They got the urge, post off, scissor hand, wig vanished in the winter, living off land. You got them right. I fuck fans, king me, checkmate. Props like the microchip founder, neck to neck stock with Bill Gates now. When we hug these mics, we get busy. Come and have a good time with G.O.D. Make you snap your fingers all wiggle, scream, shout, laugh, or just giggle. Shake that body, party that body. Don't fuck with ghosts, you feel sorry. That's word, I'm not the herb. Understand what I'm saying? Hit mics like Ted Koppel, rifle expert, let off the Eiffel. Burn a flag in your grass, spiteful. Ringleader, set it off. Rap Derek Jeter, culprit, prince of the game. Wish you could see us. We lay low, glitter wax, 4 bangles, priceless ropes. Lay around the guard, get tangled, woolly hair, eyes fiery red, feet made of brass. 12 men following me, it be the guard staff move. Every script's like Miramax, smash the big boy, totaled it. Wilshire, Fairfax, sunbeaming, wifey on the beach, sipping Zima, Rubinos to Latinos. We love Selena overnight, guard schedules, FedEx, pretty solo at Velvet Nights, DNA scroll genetics, too hot to handle one thought from scrambling the mandolin. 100 game, Will Chamberlain, smack him, say when he rolling up, face wrinkled up, hands is on his nuts. Yo, kid, stop fronting on the grounds before you get touched. It's Canada Dry, sets with a law, son. We won't ride. We want it so bad, we might cry.
Drop a gem on him. Drop a gem on him. Drop a gem on him. Sick and tired, ugly fake folks need to retire. They got your gas, take a match and smack fire out ya maggot ass. Have it represent for the QBC. Smoke that ass like a Lucy, though I need to quit. Fuck it, I love it like a cloud. Over the projection game, I'm above it, it's combat. Gas fingers and all that. You can smoke at whatever you want, get off that. I mentioned nothing but the real shit presenting. The hollow tip full 41st side convention. Strive full, you half stepping like a fresh tech out of the box. Yo, niggas I'm testing, that's no question. Bitch ass have you confessing like a DT. Left in state of depression, you under pressure. Intact, no doubt catcher, the split snatcher. Children with asthma, you Casper, you yell my name. That's only giving me props. Plus the fears that you got, but the real was got too hot. It's too not. Knocked out the box and got rock. Got raped on the island, you officially die. Get that dog shit, buy a magazine or some love shit. Keep it real, kid, cause you don't know who you fuck with. Infamous, back in the house once again. Live the life that at times of guns and now gems. Full gas, like a bass head, pull on stems. The wall got the bomb, run out and tell the friend drop the infamous. Back in the house once again. Live the life that at times of guns and now gems. Full gas, like a bass head, pull on stems. The wall got the bomb, run out and tell the friend drop a gem on him.
Drop a gem on him, son.
Drop a gem on him.
You know I got jewels, infinite, son. Yeah.
Drop a gem on him.
Yeah, likewise, tired of rap guys, it's faggots, your peers shut eyes and swirl up your whole outside. I'm baptized, niggas get wet, hit up your backside, they clap ties and set straight, put on your head straight. Watch out for these upstate cats, Beliria, New Yearly niggas with gas, with the wall on they back. Rikers Island flashbacks to the house you got stuffed it in. You would think that getting your headshots enough, but then now you wanna go on my team. Must have been drunk when you wrote that shit. Too bad you had to did it to your own self. My rebellion, retaliate, I had the whole New York state aiming at your face at the gate. Bottom line off top, soon as she came through. Shots flew, don't even know the half of my crew. I got 100 strong arm niggas ready to rock the shit. Clock stick, your days are numbered in low digits. You look suspicious, suspect niggas is bitches. Get chopped up, grade A meat, something delicious. And lace back up, 2 G's, worth of stitches. To reconstruct your face and learn how to speak again. My mom like a bunch of wild Puerto Ricans with bangers the size of African spears. It's warfare in the arena. We turn arenas in the house of horrors. It's terror zone when you see my clique. You need to run behind shit. You gotta get better, find it and use that shit. Think fast and get reminded of robberies in Manhattan. You know what happened? 60 G's worth of gun clapping. Who shot ya? You probably scream louder than an opera. New York gotcha. Now you wanna use my mom as a crutch. What you think you can't get bucked again? Once again. Back in the house once again. Live the life that had diamonds and guns and now gel pull cats. Like a bass head, but on stems. The mall got the ball run out and tell a friend it's the infamous. Back in the house once again. Live the life that had diamonds and guns and now gel pull cats. Like a bass head, but on stems. The mall got the ball run out and tell a friend drop a gem on. Back in the house once again. Live the life that had diamonds and guns and now gel pull cats. Like a bass head, but on stems. The mall got the ball run out and tell a friend it's the infamous. Back in the house once again. Live the life that had diamonds and guns and now gel pull cats. Like a bass head, but on stems. The mall got the ball run out and tell a friend drop a gem on them.
Niggas is mad, I get more butt than ashtrays. Fuck the fair one, I get mine the fast way. Ski mask way, nigga ransom notes. Far from handsome, but damn a nigga tote. More guns than roses, foes is shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the gooch, disappear, vamoose, you whack to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks, the whack lyrics, the shit is depressing, pathetic. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, yes, hire it. You should have been a cop, fuck hip-hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not from Houston, but I rap a lot. Pack the gap a lot, the flame's about to drop.
Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Back brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. Word up, no rap, no crap, you bore me. One to grab my dick, too lazy, hold it for me. I'm straight rap straight, bust the head straight and dreads, I'm everlasting. Like what? Like a chip on Pro-Ked, a Tech 9, when I rhyme, plus I climb with this rhyme. The album couldn't fuck with one line. It's been 3 years since your last tear, but now I reappear, your heart pumps fear. To your gut, did your girl's butt. I scraped it, shaped it, now she won't strut. I smash teeth, fuck your beef, no relief. I step on stage, girls scream like I'm Keith. You won't be around next year. My rap's too severe, kick it bad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Back a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear.
2194, mad motherfucking hardcore. It's my time to burn, to explore. The flavor in your ear is the Boy Scout. I make outs, I make other rappers have doubts. You're fucking with the wrong clan and the wrong man, that's it. Now you got to get your dome split. I'm going into my knapsack with my gat. Take off my hat, yes, I'm just cool like that. The dangerous, the ruggedness from the flop abyss. BLS 97 kiss after this. I'm gonna live long in this rap game. Niggas know my name, Yo Puffy.
Burn them in the flame, you're jingling, baby.
Go ahead, daddy.
You're jingling, baby.
Go ahead, daddy.
Here's shit. Lotitious, skeevy, delicious. Give me couscous, love me good. Damn, Hollister Hollywood, but is he good? I guess like the jeans. Flavor like praline, sick daddy, I mean. Papa love it when he does it. Niggas buzz it. But tell me, was it really just the flavor that be clogging your ears? The most healthy behavior is to stay in the clear. It's all for you, it's really all for you. Hunch back, close your eyes, try to munch that. Oil up your ankles, let your Timbs tap. Bite the flavor, it reacts to your gold caps. Word to mama, I tongue kiss a piranha. Electrocuted barracuda, I'm here to bring the drama.
Yo, flavors in your ass grease. But the rhyme's about to bring the noise on cease. Let me loose from the belly of the beast. Everybody, hey, 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 you better believe it's Busta Rhymes. Wait, we about to rip the tri-state, yo, yo. Hey, 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 I split your face and give you stitches. No niggas and bitches, slap the ass of fat bitches. Wait 1 sec, as I get down, I'm rolling with the heavyweight connect to the stomping ground now. Don't you get suspicious, grant your wishes every time. I bring it vicious when I rust around. I know one thing the whole world is expecting is how we all connected. To break fool on the same record. 5 new flavors on the beat, feel the fucking heat. I really think you should retreat while we blow up the street. Instead of copping, please just freeze. Maintain and focus while we smoke these marijuana trees. When I get down, I disappear, reappear and blow up everywhere. Fucking with these flavors in your air.
Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear.
94.
When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right.
True.
In the streets, it's gon' rock right.
True.
At a show, it's gon' rock right.
True.
Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do. When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do.
Landscaping and mentally shaping. Looking at my Gucci, it's about that time. Represent my peoples on the Illadelph side. Live like my 93 shit phone vibe. I used imagination like Han Solo. Master like Vic with the offbeat flow. A lady like B in stereo. Raps way back at the Black was super bad disco. Used to do the freak the Patty Duke and Gigolo. After midnights on the weekend. Ho, you remember we 3D with Study B. Enough respect go to a vet money. PSK, mids on pause delay. You see Jewel T Rock ride the cross fade. Breeze from the bottom, discombobable ballet. Sharon was the break if you was digging in the crates.
When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right.
True.
In the streets, it's gon' rock right.
True.
At a show, it's gon' rock right.
True.
Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do. When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do.
The youngsters be making cruise pop. Divine beings got the true sound in hip hop. Man called Lux flipping on the boombox. Mad props, the ruggedness, lyrical terrorists. Funky rhyming like EBS. Nation with the Knicks, news of being jazz fresh. Easing back and let it hit ya. Rubble town mixture, murder with the hypnotic groove girl. Back to back, ghetto porn and scratch. Battlestar Galact, cosmic abstract. The first out the limo was the nigga Charlie Mack. Westfield represent KD, where's it at? Cause we not taking no shorts no more. You to the rebels are paying a dice roar.
When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do. When they pump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, boo. You know how we do.
And the tough crew rock on. And the Robbie B need the rock on. DJ Ran got a rock on. Power 99 need the rock on. Sex Machine got a rock on. And the boy Tab got a rock on. EC the rock need the rock on. And the Task Force need the rock on. And Destro need the rock on. And the Red Bull need the rock on. DJ Mark need the rock on. Rock the Block need the rock on. 100X need the rock on. Ram Squad need the rock on. BSB need the rock on. And the Bobby Dance need the rock on. And B-Force need the rock on. And Larry Ladd need the rock on. And Levy need the rock on. Essential Elements need the rock on. Cash, money, rock on. Illadel Massive rock on. Schoolie D need the rock on. Cosmic Kev need the rock on. And Kobe Cole need the rock on. And the Roots need the rock on. And the Tape need the shit love.
champagne wishes and caviar dreams. A team that's getting cream with shells and fish scales from triple beams. I gleam, living a life for rally, packing 50 Cali's, rocking lizard valleys while we do a drug deal in a dark alley. Up in casinos, just me and my Dino Primo, pushing Beamos, then Paulie and Reno with two fly Latinos. Nas, he runs the whole staff, we count math for steam baths. We've seen half of Millie Jackson out there on the Queens half. 3 major players getting papers by the layers, and those that betray us on the block, they rock like Amadeus. Fakers can use to shoot targets, soon as the darkest. Front on the drug market, bodies get rolled up in the carpet. Those are cheaters trying to beat us, we got hookers with heaters that'll straight poppin', but no shows in your top. Then Adidas, the leaders, looking straight Tommy and a Giorgio Armani's. You wanna harm me and us, you got to come get through a whole army. The CeeLo rollers, money folders, sippin' bowler, holding that payola, slinging the coke without the cola. Me and Black don't fake Jack, but we might sling one. It ain't no shame in our game, we do our thing, son.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream.
Yo, I got guns from Italy, smoke trees considerably. Mid-state and green, it seems is where all my niggas be. The ghetto misery, shootouts in liquor stores. A perpendicular angle of the clout war. Police searching up my Lexo, but who's petrol? My tech blows straight off the roof to test your respect. Over don't respect me, it got me handcuffed to rough life. I just be up nights, breathing with scuffed nights. Pour my beers for my peoples under the stairs. These years I got their names in my swears. Popping crystal like it's my first child. Licking shots, holiday style. Rockin' steel sweaters while it be down. 24 carats, counting cabbage like the Arabs. The marriage of me and the mic is just like magic. Elegant performance, bubble X full assurance. Guzzling Guinness, shooting, catching cases concurrent. It's Nas, 700 wise, King Solomon size. We on the rise, me and G, ghetto wise guys. The Luciano, Frankie Ayo, Bugsy Siegel. Green papers with eagles from a trade that's illegal.
Hey yo, our lifestyle's exquisite. Yeah, yo, like a blizzard.
Esquire attire standing on ground with one pivot.
2 players rocking silk blazers and diamonds like glaciers.
Lands with name brand seats reclining like a spacious.
Bodies on ice,
living tripe, rolling fixed up dice.
Gambling grams,
handling stamps,
moves and shites.
My bank rolls, got the cops coming in plain clothes.
Trying to arraign a game cause of a fame, that's how the game goes. Right out the slammer with the fame of glamour. Cooking up grams with armor, hammer, supplying scramblers in Alabama.
Rub out faces and leave no traces. My aces got mad body cases, preserve spaces at the horse races. Serving us Don Viva Flico, times with Magnifico. Putting it cut inside Perico. Heat for foes, shopping sprees with my fleet for clothes. And Caribbean sweets, deep ripping beats with flows.
Hey yo, we went from standing on blocks, went out to stock, selling rocks, to picking up stock at both docks with Glocks. It got poppy seed fields with $1 million deals, packing on the blue steel. We keep some real inside the battlefield.
Yeah, so here's a toast to the funds and things. Gun smokes and rings, graveyards that's buried with kings.
Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream. Living a fast life with fast cars. Everywhere we go, people know who we are. A team from out of Queens with the American dream. So we're plotting up a scheme to get the 7-figure cream.
Now I gotta deal with yo, you niggas must be out your fucking mind. Thinking dog can't pull another motherfucking rabbit out the hat. Think I ain't gotta trick up my motherfucking sleeve, you bitch ass niggas. Fucking niggas, that niggas think I'm doing just sitting around doing nothing. Oh my god, you niggas can't be serious, man. Where the hood at? And that nigga in the cut where the wood at? All them niggas acting up where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Where the hood at? And that nigga in the cut where the wood at? All them niggas acting up where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Man, cats don't know what it's gon' be. Fucking with a nigga like me. D to the M to the X. Last I heard, that niggas was having sex with the same sex. I show no love to homo thugs. Empty out, reload, we throw most slugs. How you gon' explain fucking a man? Even if we squash the beef, I ain't touching your hand. I don't fuck with trumps. For those that been to jail, that's the cat with the Kool-Aid on his lips and pumps. I don't fuck with niggas that think they bras. Only know how to be one way, that's the dog. I know how to get down, know how to fight. Walk very little, but I know how to fight. I know how to chase a cat up in a tree. Man, I get y'all niggas the business for
bust that if you gon' pull that. Yo, 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 yo. Once the song I come through, guns are strong. Blah blah, lungs is gone, sons are more from dusk to dawn. Nighttime belongs to the dog. On the street past midnight, look for him in the morgue. Don't play with these cats, I ain't got nothing to say to these cats. For the mothers that really do love them, please pray for these cats. Cause I know niggas is hard-headed, but I ain't got the patience. Don't want me having no patience, turning to more patience. More trips to ICU, cause I see you trying to get away with shit a real nigga wouldn't do. Where my dogs at? See them niggas? Did them, boy? That's how we do. Yeah, it's just for my dog. It's just for my dog. Yo, where we at, baby? From then till now, don't ask me how. Know that we gon' roll like the niggas in here. A-Block on the child. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cut, where the wood at? All them niggas acting up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cut, where the wood at? All them niggas acting up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Yo, 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 yo. I get papers to my grind, stop niggas like ribs, make it fine. 5 CDs with bad rhymes. Don't hit me with that positive shit, I know you lying. Really wanna stop niggas from dying? Stop niggas from trying. Cause I ain't really got that time to waste. And I thought I told you to keep these fucking bumps out my face. Looking at you in the real, it might be nice to cut. Once I split your ass in two, you'll be twice as bright. Yeah, you right. I know your style pussy, cause I'm fucking it. Since we all hit it, you hold my dick while he's sucking it, motherfucker. Don't you know you never come near me? Shove your head up your ass. Have you seen shit clearly? Never heard that DB running, DB gunning. I beat my dick and bust off in your eye so you can see me coming. Empty clips and shells are what I leave behind. If they get me with the drugs, they hit me with it 3 to 9. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cut, where the wood at? All them niggas acting up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at? Had that nigga in the cut, where the wood at? All them niggas acting up, where the wolves at? You better bust that if you gon' pull that. What? Where the fucking hood at? If hood is fucking with me, nigga, hood fuck with dog is so real. Dog is the hood. I am the hood. I am the streets. You bitch ass nigga. Dog is the hood. It's all good. Take it how you want, motherfucker. It's all good. I'm in the hood all day. I think I'm like the only nigga, dog. They can go to the projects, he grew up and by his fucking self and be good. Yeah, nigga. Ask niggas on my projects when the last time they seen dog. Motherfucker. Not too long ago, baby. D-Y. Nigga.
Ya. Quieren que me cale, pues toma. Como va. Hugo que Z. Dime qué quieren, ¿Qué rayos quieren? Quieren que me cale, pois toma. Isto non é broma. Queren educarte, anularte, que sexa coma. Que afinda sempre que fales no seu idioma. Que bonito el gallego ya que non habla outra persona. Queren guiarte polo seu vieiro. Que pises na túa máis e fai falla por ser o primeiro. Que trajes, que máis unha vez outra máis. Que teñas medo de ser radicais. Queren que vayas da súa mao. Queren soterrarnos a traizón como a Castelao. Introdúcense na túa mente. Queren distorsionar realidades como a Genke. Sen que fique rastro presente. Queren frearte que non saias adiante. Que frejes, que limpes o chan. El ojo que agradezas esas molas que che dan. Que queren que te afojes en bares. Que se apuntan eles e xas ti quen dispare. Nesta telenovela queren que sexas de Juequi e mires a Venezuela. Que sintas odio polo diferente. Que compitas con quen teñas en fronte. Queren facerte pesa no engranaxe do sistema. Queren que sexas unha imaxe. Venderte, mercarte, acoitelarte. Polas costas sempre queren levar parte. Antes farían pisos en Marte. Elixe libre con que vas a forcarte. Queren levarse o noso peixe, a nosa leite, a nosa luz e o noso mar. O caudal do noso povo, que lles aproveite, que nel poden afojar. Se queren silenciar a nosa voz, imos voltar a berrar máis alto. Se logo queren rematar con nós, faremos que proben o sabor do asfalto. Que se queren comerciar con todo, que sepan que os valores non se mercan. Que seguiremos sendo dese modo, o sangue vermelho e o corazón. Quieren que consumas. Canto máis tes, máis vales que asumas. Que están todos los que fuman de cáñamo. Que España es una y no 51. Isto suma, se contagia rollo ébola. Rimas duras dan de pontacas entre nevo. Quieren que mordas no se boda. Súa democracia non me vale, non a quero xa. Quieren que sigas seus roles, soñes cun roles, festeches goles que che meten cada día da semana. De veda pública meu collón dereito pana. Quieren apagar a chama do povo que se erge, do povo que reclama. Quieren a Galiza sumisa, vendida ao capital como fixo a Siriza. Se queren silenciar a nosa voz, imos voltar e berrar máis alto. Se logo queren rematar con nós, faremos que proben o sabor do asfalto. E se queren comerciar con todo, que sepan que os valores non se mercan. Que seguiremos sendo dese modo, coa sangue vermello e o corazón na esquerda. E o corazón na esquerda, loitando pola nosa terra. Loitando pola nosa terra, pola liberdade, pola xustiza. Dime que queren, que rayo queren. Se queren silenciar a nosa voz, imos voltar e berrar máis alto. Se logo queren rematar con nós, faremos que proben o sabor do asfalto. E se queren comerciar con todo, que sepan que os valores non se mercan. Que seguiremos sendo dese modo, coa sangue vermello e o corazón na esquerda. E o corazón na esquerda.
Yo, 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 yo. 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 When I step up in the place, say yo, I step correct. You all in check. I got that head nod shit that make you break your neck. You all in check. And you know we come through to wreck the discotheque. I got you all in check. Throw your hands up in the air, don't ever disrespect. I got you all in check. Bust the rhymes up in the place, true indeed. Yes, I catch wreck and that's word on my seed. I'm guaranteed to give you what you need. One blood, everybody like Junior Reed. Wake up every morning, yo, I must succeed. Nationwide rockers make the world stampede. Yo, Willie, make we roll some weed. Man charge, nigga, now I must proceed. Yo, we about to make step speed. Beast to baby, fight Q-tip, I think I need. Watch me knock you out like Apollo Creed. Body blows, busting your shit, making you bleed. Just feed off dynamic flows and take heed. Need more information, homeboy, than just weed. Hey, you can read all about the pure breed. Do the noble dance, my duty, and my seed. When I step up in the place, then yo, I step correct. You go all in check. I got that head nod shit that make you break your neck. I got you all in check. And you know we come through to wreck the discotheque. I got you all in check. Throw your hands up in the air and never disrespect. I got you all in check. How dare you ever try to step on my suede shoes? Top gun shut down your firm like Tom Cruise. Please let me get down and blow a fuse. Acting fools breaking shit down to molecules. Yo, let me hit you with my Hill Street blues. Most of rhymes always headlines the street news. Baby girl, don't be confused. Sell my 7 seats and enjoy my full crew. I know you really wanna know who's coming through, leaving blood stains and residues. Sorry, homeboy, but your flow sound used. Got to pay your dues, baby, you know the rules. Whenever I travel the world, I land cruise. If you choose to fuck around, you get bruised. Now I got you gas on super unleaded fuels. Give me room, give me some space, your excuse. When I step up in the place, then yo, I step correct. I got you all in check. I got that head dog shit that make you break your neck. I got you all in check. And you know we come through to wreck the discotheque. I got you all in check. Throw your hands up in the air and never disrespect. I got you all in check.
You now rockin' with the best. Busta Rhymes coming through from the Flick Mode Squad. Boy Scouts who
Throw them type of niggas right out my window. Blast your ass, hit you with a direct blow. Blow, coming through like G.I. Joe. Star Wars moving ill like Han Solo. Make you bounce around like this was Calypso. Always shine cause I got the high pro glow. You think that you can hide, you think you can lay low. Roll up on your ass like Hawaii 5-0. Mad out with my dreads in my Kango. Forget the moment, nigga, just pass the Cisco. Yo, take a trip down to Mexico. Come back with that shit that might make you psycho. Maximum frequencies through your stereo. Sorry, this is it, but homeboy, I got to go. I step up in the place, they don't watch that correct. Got you on the check. I got that head nod shit that make you break your neck. I got you on the check. And you know we come through to wreck the discotheque. If I got you on the check, throw your hands up in the air and never disrespect. If I got you on the check, hey, hey, oh, hey, yo, yo, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Hey yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blaze the hot.
Transact that sound like Kevin. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mamone at the cap, come and get some.
Play my position. High Nixon, this one for all the sick ones. Infliction, poisonous, start sickening. Best believe finger itching with 2 broke legs. Now I'm tripping on MCs, cliches. Shots that ricochet, start trouble, bust bubbles. Hip the wicked ways, gotta love me. G.O.D. no one above me. Look good but fuck ugly. Tap your jaw from my punch buggy, son and you. Got you sitting in your last huggy, running who? Fucking punk, get a speed bump coming through. A single shot make your meat love respect, woo.
Hey yo, I put it on a nigga, shit it on a nigga, turn a Christian to a certified sinner. The bomb I released, time been up. Explode. When you got sent up, I was hitting your ex-hoe. Shit, I kept low, petrol, your metro. Politan, keep the chicken heads gobbling. Shit, I'm driving in, come with full halogen. Terrorize your city from the split committee. Kick ass to both Timberlands, turn shit in. Gritty, smack the driver head in the gypsy. When I approach rappers, be taking notes. I drop like I should've invented the raincoat. Absolute, I love the bird to the roots. I keep coming to you, pour sperm from your boots. Vigilante, hardcore to the penis. Tell you fuck you, my attitude is
Stay out the dark. If I catch you when the sun is down, run it, clown, come up off that. I'm gon' gun it down, run it down. However it's gon' go, it's gon' be that. See that? That shit'll finish you, dog. Believe that. Where we at? Do you value your life as much as your possessions? Don't be a stupid nigga, learn a lesson. I'm gon' get you either way, and it's better to live. Let me get what's up in your sock, cause it's better to give than receive. Believe what I say when I take. Don't make me put you somewhere where nobody you smell you. And when the lights is out, they don't come back on. This ain't a flick, you ain't gon' come back on. You ain't that strong, know it was wrong, but you asked for it, baby. Use a big nigga, scheme, ask for it, baby. So I can hit you up on Front Street. To get dumb sweet, you want heat, one deep, leave him behind, one sleep.
My mic go, it's time to get rowdy. Got homies from the NO to the NY, body. I break bread with the ballers, professional killers, shot callers. I got game from the south to the west to the east, to the middle. Now remember me, a young nigga with the gold teeth rumping, keep the crowd jumping. Gotta say something. I have a coke and a smile. The party don't stop, but it get buck wild. Pass the Hennessy and weed, let's blaze one. See a show, let's play one. For the cookies, you can't be a rookie. I'm a no-limit soldier, that's why they book me. Master P Rock Bell, but I gotta give it up to my homie LL.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blaze the hot trizzag.
Shine like heaven, 7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2, 1. Come on, Mr. Smith, come get some.
My young sons fantasize of borrowing flows. Tell little shorty with the big mouth, the bank is closed. The symbol on my arm is off limits to challenges. You holding rusty swords, I swing the Excalibur. How dare you step up in my dimension? Your little ass should be somewhere crying on detention. Watch your mouth, better yet, hold your tongue. I'ma do this shit for free this time, this one's for fun. Blow you to pieces, leave you covered in feces with one thesis. Every little boy wanna pick up the mic and try to run with the big boys and live up to the real hype. But that's like picking up a ball playing with Mike, swinging in Ken Griffey or challenging Roy to a fight. Stapping your amateur MCs. Don't you know I'm like the dream team touring overseas? For rappers in my circle, I'm a deadly disease. Ringmaster, bringing the Tiger Cup to his knees. In the history of rap, they've never seen such prominence. Your naive confidence gets crushed by my dominance. Now let's get back to this mic on my arm. If it ever left my side, it transformed into a time bomb. You don't wanna bar that, you wanna idolize. And you don't wanna make me mad, nigga, you wanna socialize. And I'm daring every MC in the game to play itself out position and mention my name. I make a rhyme for every syllable in your name. Go platinum for every time your grimy ass was on the train. Watch your mouth, don't ever step out of line. LL Cool J, nigga, greatest of all time.
Yo, 5-0.
Oh shit, yo.
Run! Hey yo, I jumped from the 8th floor step, hit the ground, the pound fell. Cops is coming, running through the pissy stairwells. I ain't hear nothing, bugging. Only thing I remember was a bullshit summer. So I stopped at the 2nd floor, ran across cracks, is falling. My pockets is mean, clean when I vanished off, took off. Made track look easy, the walkie-talkies and DTs had. Black they was rated PG. Run, I will not give up. No, quick flag the car down. Yo, go till they come now. Peel off quick, back up, hit the bitch door, turn downhill like the Molly spliff. Run, I will not get bagged on the rock. Run, see what happened to they bad with they cops. Run, they am shit, plan shit, destroy evidence. Fucking case, I'm not coming home when I'm 56. Die with the hardest scar face and take 50 licks before I let these crackers throw me in shit. Bounce if you a good kid, down through the bird hop curse, word to get served. These cocksuckers got nerve. Heard I was killing shit, they must got word that I told the chief for rich Paul I don't wanna merge. Run if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, they giving out life like by the tons. Run if you ain't do shit, you hit that next felony, nigga. It's like 3 zip. So run, hop fences, jump over benches. When you see me coming, get the fuck out the entrance. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, motherfucker.
I might gotta take my shirt off.
Yeah, kid.
I like that one.
Go in.
It's Task Force Tuesday, the Narcs is in the black car. I got 500 packs in my backyard. Clear 12-12s that look like stuffed shells. I'm cutting niggas' throats on the sales while they puff L's. Don't leave nothing unbagged, shave everything. I learned from the OGs to save everything. They come by one more time, they gon' hop out. They too deep and one is a bitch, she get knocked out. Then I can get rid of the pack, but I just copped this pretty chrome thing, so I'm dipping with that. Downshifting on them like I got years on me. Besides that, I got about 5 years on me. Scared to death, running like I got beers on me. Tim start feeling like they Nike Airs on me. It's hard for me to slow down, it's like I'm on the thruway. My belt's in the crib on the floor by my two-way. Now I'm trying to hold my hammer up in my pants too. If they don't kill me, they gon' give me a number I can't do. Rather it be the streets than jail where I die at. And I'm asthmatic, so I'm looking for somewhere to hide at. But they too close and I got this new toast. Imagine if I would've let off a shot or two. You know what I gotta do.
Run if you sell drugs in the school zone. Run if you getting chased with no shoes on. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, they giving out life like by the tons. Run if you ain't do shit, you hit that next felony, nigga. It's like 3 zip. So run, hop fences, jump over benches. When you see me coming, get the fuck out the entrance. Run, fuck that. Run, cops got guns, motherfucker.
Yeah. No doubt. My brother Jesse and the L. Safe motherfucker. I'm a brother Killer K. Attack PLO style record world. Yeah, no doubt, man. Love. PLO style. Who the most with the L? PLO style. Who the most with the L? PLO style. Who the most with the L? PLO style. From the ruckus, the motherfucking ruckus. Thousands of cutthroats and crumb snatching buckets. Straight from the grain, I'll be giving you your pain. Anger coming from the 36 chamber. Bang, the cow, getting with the counterfeit style. Shotgun slamming in your chest piece, loud. Brain gets blown all over the terrain. Like a man without no arms, you can't hang. Time for a change of the guard. You've been arrested for lyric fraud, now you born. For real, check it. I pull strings like B.B. King on guitar. I'm the true fist of the North Star.
Oh, what a tangle web we weave. When first we practice to deceive, guns be clicking. Running with my clan, we be sticking whatever. My street family stay together, represent what I invent. Killer Hill resident, rest in peace to my nigga 2 Cent. The street life is the only life I know. I live by the cold style as mad PLO. Iranian thoughts are covered like an Arabian. Grab the nigga who on the spot and put a 9 to his
Get no
cranium.
satisfaction, niggas won't be lasting long unless they get protection, for real. Strong, coming with my clan, so what's happening? Commercial rap, hate it with the passion, nah.
METHOT, got me drinking OE all night in the MPB. Just maxing, looking for hoes, you know, relaxing. Bitches know the hour, it be time for some action.
PLO, peace to that nigga Bariano. What up, bitch? Take him to the bridge.
PLO style, who the most with the owl? PLO style, who the most with the owl? PLO style, who the most with the owl? PLO style.
From the ruckus, the motherfucking ruckus.
The street life is the only life I know. The street life is the only life I know. The street life is the only life I know. The street life is the only life I know. I live by the cold style as mad PLO.
Sí. Hay mucho bocaza y mucho hijo de puta. DKT es serpiente en la vida. 1, 2, 1, 2. Lo primero, nadie puede conmigo. A ti y a tus amigos los derriba mi sonido. Soy magnífico, tú una copia típico. Y aún así quieres que cierre tu pico. Tantas fiestas por Torre Cedeira y no te he visto ni cruzando de acera. ¿Cuántos años respaldan tu guerra? Yo tengo panteras, sino palabras muertas. Planto fuego a todo tu puto texto. Ni siquiera Lee podría jubilarme de esto. Ahora los niñatos ya no guardan respeto. Polluelos contra este rapaz mueren en el intento. Antes los amigos los contaba con la mano. Ahora en cada barrio presumo de un hermano. Yo tengo familia, vosotros un rebaño. Aunque pasen los años, yo sigo mandando. Claro que no, yo no soy Old DB. Pregúntale a tu acera quién es DKT. Es el MC que de siempre estuvo aquí. Incluso tus amigos me deben mucho a mí. Más clásico que John Kiss en Lardo Viño. Entiendo tu bocaza porque también fui un crío. Desde siempre hay amenazas en mi río, pero sigo vivo porque labro mi destino. Una bocaza así que escupe llamas. Luego en el concierto, ¿quién es el que se calla? Yo la cera la considero hermana. Si quieres conocerla ya acabará tu cara. Si de verdad conocieses la miseria, no tendrías tiempo ni de hablar de ella. Vienes diciendo que perdiste la inocencia. Yo la secuestré y la convertí en mi violencia. Sueno a broma cuando mi flow se inmola. Para rollo serio ya me llega tu moda. Más te vale, papi, que cierres la boca. O a lo mejor me lanzo a conquistar tu zona.
I got my mind made up, come on. Get into it. Let it ride. Tonight's the night. Yeah, I got my mind made up, come on. Get into it. Let it ride. Tonight's the night. Yeah, come on.
You know you were free before the album went platinum. Your heartless beating, now your skin grinning. Gassed off the chrome rims in 20-room mansion. I rest my Tim's in. I'm feeling how you shake it. Rings in your belly, I can't take it. Toss up your moe, money make it. Last week fun, tonight butt naked. I got the fever, make them zoom. The LL Cool J, give me room. Look up in my eyes as I lower the boom. 20,000 freaks backed up in one room.
All I wanna do is zoom.
What you wanna do?
What you wanna do? All I wanna do is zoom.
What you wanna do?
What you wanna
wanna do?
Once again it's on, can't be home. The crime got me in the zone. Homies blowing up the cell phone. The world knew I had to come once more. And just to let y'all know, I do my thing and still blow. Enough to burn, 10 mil sales confirmed. The most anticipated since Tyson's return. So come on everybody, let's all get down.
Cause what we have is a brand new sound. All the mommies in the house getting live tonight. They wanna and all my dogs feel a vibe tonight. They wanna say what?
All I wanna do is zoom, 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 zoom.
What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
All I wanna do is zoom, 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 zoom.
Dre, what you wanna do?
Mr. Smith, it's on you,
In other words, it's gonna be like that. You young boys is blind. I'm seeing them cats. Evolutionary, revolutionary, and legendary. I got a climax waiting for each and every cherry. I'm like a narcotic. Niggas is microscopic. Dr. Dre and Cool J is the topic forever. My lyrics is rough and energetic. Them cats is blazing. I don't get it. They cosmetic. If Shorty wanna step up, I'll twist his neck up. You can't get no money better than me. That's like ripping your check up. What, partner? 10 paces and turn around. That quick, your whole ghost town is burning down. What I spit manipulates whole clips. Make them conversate on how real niggas ride my dick. It's like a serum, I just can't hear them. All them new niggas popping new shit, I never fear them.
As we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction guaranteed. Break it down.
Girl named Nacimos en terra de Breogán, escoitanos as verbas polo arbo ando van. Escribo tirado no meu diván, pero meus pensamentos cando seu carón están.
Cando logro sentirme ceibe, tocando sobre las melodías. Digo se me extraña, la dice maybe, cambiando de destino se desvía. Deambulando solos, gastando días, buscando calor para estas almas frías. No se sepa por melancolía, solo quiero un hoyos que me perre rebeldía.
Para soldar, para atacar, este estado quere sumisos rebaños os que poder controlar. O pastor leva placa, beber te destaca, pero non fai outra cosa que estorbar. Solto, bombas lapa, que te mata. Cada verba te cantina como napal. Xa chegou teu fin, eu son Ho Chi Minh. Solo un yankee fuxindo por patas, solos por aparentar, todo buscando a quen imitar. Que hasta se puxo de moda un narco asesino como Escobar. Aquí solo importa todo, solo hai que che dar. Matarían a seus pais por folios de Instagram.
Hai que loitar, resistir, non ser atraído pola esfera do poder. Aguantar como un fakir, ata que os clavos do medaron xa non doer.
Xa non hai segredos nen ídolos, ispon cada letra tronco como a gigolo. Todo o que fan eles frívolo, pedíronme que volte facer free
E volo
e me hizo volar. E voume cajar na OTAN e nos yanquis como Albano con Sopar. Non é mexar por nós xa caen tronos, rexeitamos ese trono. Seu desfile militar van a tiritar, queren imitar moita mímica, encima na rítmica tan típica e raquítica. Versus analítica, merda tan mítica, para mitigar non privan, xa cultivan desta índica. Tanta crítica atrás dos teclados, escreve grava algo pavo, se queres medilo rabo. Jackie son da rúa na colabo, Jackie son da rúa na. E tú eres Hugo GZ, pois non che sei, chaval. Depende se preguntan grupis ou na audiencia nacional. Mudan o que din de forma estacional, panorama madrileño para min internacional. Vou despacio, va, a miña musa ten un vado permanente por se quixeran estacionar. Teño un ego tan subido que un amigo imaginario virtual non lle deixa de ovacionar. Pero están maleiros por dentro, buscando sempre aprobación. Frustra, mais o mellor me gusta, valoras a si mesmo sai do propio corazón.
Son de rúa, representa como a Naide, como a Naido, cantante de Iron Maiden. Dame aire, hai república guai sangue, tanto tanque que non consiguen que arranque. Hai que ver que carallo din, todos rapeando como cejos mentres de Penglín. Achegas o fin, vámonos de aquí, gañan o salario como facía Botín. Oh sí, moito porco parto da buffet, no buffet, hinchanse de cartos ou de que depende de que se son ratas ou yanquis, fachas na PPC, bebe licor, café, pra olvidar as penas do carallo. Non me rayo, cos penas deixando ponte no techado hallo. Como dice o GZ no escenario, buscamos vendetta do popo revolucionario. Ando cuando como nevo desde a zona, sinte como pa que invento Zoa, con Jacker na concordia. Ando todo perdido coa mirada absorta, ando cuando como nevo desta zona, sinte como pa que invento Zoa, con Jacker na concordia. Ando todo perdido coa mirada absorta.
Dando calor,
son da rúa, ya. Llega inverno que me abriga, en un sistema que nos quiere deshumanizar. Son da rúa, ya que me amiga, dando calor a toda peñita da caliza. Sempre facendo cantigas, rimando duro sobre caixa, sobre bombo clap. Quentes esas mentes creativas, estamos jugando en otra liga, ya. Llega inverno que me abriga, un sistema que nos quiere deshumanizar. Son da rúa, ya que me amiga, dando calor a toda peñita da caliza. Sempre facendo cantigas, rimando duro sobre caixa, sobre bombo clap. Quentes esas mentes creativas, estamos jugando en otra liga, ya.
Cash cream, get the money.
Here we go, shake this shit. Yo, I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men, so then we moved to Shaolin Land. A young youth, you're rocking the go-to. Low goose, only way I
hop again to New York was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one, pulling out cats for fun. But it was just a dream for the teen who was a fiend. Started smoking wools at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits for high stakes, making my way on fire skates. No question I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question I would flow off and try to get the dough off. Sticking up right boys aboard court. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route, so I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, rolling in MPVs. Every week we made 40 G's. Yo, brothers, respect mine. I ain't gonna take now. Bow, move from the gate now. Loving that joint. Get the money, here we go. Check this shit. Yo, take loving that joint. Get the money, here we go. Check this shit. Yo,
22 long hard years, I'm still struggling. Survival got me bugging, but I'm alive on arrival. I peep at the shape of the streets to stay awake to the ways of the world. Deep, a man with a dream with plans to make cream was fail. I went to jail at the age of 15, a young buck selling drugs and such, who never had much, trying to get a clutch of what I could not touch. The court played me short, now I face incarceration. Pacing, no one upstates my destination. Handcuffed in back of a bus, 40 of us. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough, but as the world turned, I learned life was hell. Living in the world no different from a cell. Every day I escape from jakes, giving chase, selling bass, smoking bones in the staircase. Though I don't know why I chose to smoke cess. I guess that's the time when I'm not depressed, when I'm still depressed, and I ask what's it worth. Ready to give up, so I seek the old earth, who explain working hard may help you maintain, to learn to overcome the heartaches and pain. We got stick-up kids, corrupt cops, and crack rocks and stray shots. All of the block stays hot. Leave it up to me while I be living proof to kick the truth to the young black youth. But shorties running wild, smoking cess, drinking beer, and ain't trying to hear what I'm kicking in his ear. Neglected for now, but yo, it got to be accepted. The what? The life is hectic.
cash chick, loving that joint.
Queen, get the money,
here we go.
check this shit.
Yo, cash chick, loving that joint.
Queen, get the money,
here we go. Check this shit. Yo, cash chick, loving that joint.
Queen, get the money,
here we go. Check this